In this video I'm going to show you guys how to create CSGO intro using CapCut. This is so easy. You need a logo maker. And create your logo. Pick a best logo for your channel. Remove the background, and change the outline to white. Pick a font style and then save. Now open up your CapCut app. Create a new project, and find the gaming intro template, which link is in description. I'm gonna add logo in this position. Add overlay. Find the logo was created. Adjust the logo and extend till end of the template. You can add also animation to your logo. That's it, you have now a CSGO intro. Render in a good quality. Thank you for watching, subscribe for more guys. Have a great day.